LA Color lashes on, and I am loving them. They actually turn out really, really nice. Alright, you guys, I just finished throwing my makeup on, so I'm ready for some lashes. Excuse the bags under the eyes. I went to bed super duper late and I tried everything I could to cover the bags up. So if you guys know any good videos that show how to cover up bags, or you know how to get rid of them, please tag me in them, because Netflix has been releasing all my favorite stuff. And I mean, like, I've been sitting and watching Netflix, I'm sorry, and now I just look beat. I mean, did I use the right word? I just look tired. Whatever. Anywho, this video is about these Dollar Tree eyelashes I just found today. They're so cute. I haven't worn eyelashes in so long. I'm going to be off camera putting them on, and I'll come back and show you what they look like. Alright, so I just pulled the first one out. I don't know what kind of glue that is that they use to bond them together. Like I said, this is not dirt, it's eyeliner, but it looks super duper duper cheap. Almost looks like hot glue. Maybe it is hot glue. I don't know, it just looks kind of messy. It has the extra left on the end I had to rip off, and so nervous I was gonna pull all the lashes apart. We're about to glue this bad baby on. I'm no professional at putting on strip lashes. Yeah, usually you're supposed to fit them to your eye and trim, but I'm just gonna put these babies on full length. Call it a day. Putting these on is just to take some pictures with my husband. As soon as our photos is over, I'm going to end up taking them off and taking all this makeup off as well. So it's going to serve its 30-minute purpose. What I'm doing now, I just applied the glue. I like to blow my mine just to get a little semi-dry, tacky, whatever you guys call it. Like I said, I'm sorry for all you guys that know how to do lashes and y'all like, hey, you're not pronouncing anything correct, you're doing it wrong. I'm sorry. I just want to show you guys what these look like on me. That's all. Please don't hurt me. So here it is. I got the black Lash Glue. I don't even know what brand this is, the glue I'm using. Like I said, it's ancient. It's Broadway Eyes, I think. I don't know, it's the oldest ever, but we're gonna use it anyway. I'll be right back with the lashes. I'm gonna come a little close, so please forgive any imperfections I have on my face. I'm not perfect. I might have some bumps, and the makeup is not on fleek. It's cheap. Like I said, drugstore makeup beat, honey. So here we go. I'm getting a little close so y'all can see these lashes. Are they not cute? They're cute as ever. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, I love them. You guys, I'm gonna go back and like buy them all from my store. I'm in love. Like for $1, they're nice. Like they look nice. I like them. Granted, like I could have done this with mascara. I'm like super good at like making mascara look like false lashes. Like I'll put my mascara on and people will be like,
where did you go get your lashes done?
So I'm like pretty good with mascara. I might have to show you guys how good I am with the mascara one day. Loving the lashes. Like, my camera's flip-flopped around, so excuse me, like if I'm looking in a weird direction. I think that may be a little bit better for you guys. So last but not least, this is the last item I'm going to try today that I got from Dollar Tree. It's the LA Color Setting Spray, and we're gonna see how this works out. It says it's not lightweight, non-toxic, and finish sets makeup. So we're going to try one more product from the Dollar Tree by LA Colors. It's their setting spray. Right here, babies. We're gonna try this. Like I said, it's not dirt under my nails. It's eyeliner. Please excuse it. So this says that the setting spray is lightweight, it's supposed to be non-sticky, and it should finish, it says it's not, so this setting spray says that it's lightweight, non-sticky, finish sets makeup for all day wear. I'm not going to be wearing my makeup all day, but it should work for at least 30 minutes. So we're gonna give it a shot and see how it turns out. All right, here we go. We're opening it.
Got it!
I hate when I rip stuff open and think it's gonna fall out, and then boom, it does this. That's exactly what it done. Oh, even worse. Thought I was gonna get it out that time. It didn't come out. I love the size of this. This is like very, very purse friendly. Because sometimes I wear these like little teeny tiny pocketbooks and envelope purses. This is perfect. Teeny tiny. Alright, so here we go. Alright, you want to shut your eyes for this, and you want to make sure that you find the hole. Don't have it face the other way and spray the camera. Yeah. Don't want to stitch you guys makeup for all day wear. Just mine. Alright, here we go. So I pumped it 3 times and nothing came out still, so let's try this again. Ooh. I feel like I overdone it a little. It doesn't really smell like anything. I thought it was going to have like a refreshing, clean smell. It smells like nothing. I can feel it dripping down the side of my face. It felt like it took my makeup off over here. Hopefully it didn't. I don't know. It just feels like this cheap drugstore makeup is just like rolling down the side of my face, but hopefully not. So anyway guys, thank you for watching this long video. I'm so sorry I can't tell you more about the products I used or how to use them correctly, but I just basically just wanted to test out some things and see how it turned out. I'm content with how my makeup looks. And to some it might not look that great, but for me it's serving its purpose. Alright, as always, you guys have a wonderful day and thank you for watching. Bye!